That will be the engine, the power station, the steamer. This will be the transmission with the different gears. And here we have for the engineer, for the machinista, a little working bench with his oil can. Here will be some different stations for oiling for him. On the other side you have a little holding bronze piece for his beer bottle. This here doesn't belong to the machine. This is a car. I started with that one because actually every man needs to build a car once in his life. This is my car. You see, this car is completely working, full in function. It's rolling on granite rolls like the Flintstones. It has a brake. It has a stand brake, you know, you let that go down if you don't move it at all, if you leave the car, you know. This is for the brake to put it down here. These are the ventils for the engine. Inside here's the engine block. Up here the cylinders. You can see the cylinders always in different height, you know, going left, right, up and down. Tank. Petrol filter. Starter. Old fashioned. No problem. It will be never been a function problem. Exhausting pump. The whole is like with a really good anti-shock absorbing system. So all what we need is now only just a run. We need a start and a run. We need a road for that. But this is my car. It's finished. The rest of my engine is not finished at all, because that will be 5 stations on like 25 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, something like that. And it starts with the turbine, with the engine, then the transmission. And if you turn around, you will see this will be the copyist. That will be the sculptor. Here there will be 4 wheels, a granite block on top, and on this granite block will be different arms with hammers and with chisels. They will work on a marble block. There will be the marble block, and the marble block is in a little trolley, and the trolley will be with a steel wire system hooked to a pilot who will be the end of the machine. So we are just full in process. It started 2018 in the spring. We are now in the summer 2018, and I think we are ready to have an opening party in spring 2019. When this machine is finished, when the sculptor is fully working, then I am free. I don't have to do anything then anymore, because this machine will do my job and make all the stones here you can see. This 120 tons of stone, he will finish them. This has nothing to do with me anymore. He gives me only a phone call when I need to come to sign. Sorry, the number 1 station, what is coming now, you can see next month, is the technical center with the switch for on and off, and where you can see the power and the steamer and everything. It will be a box flying on another granite block. But the idea is always to combine old technical metal pieces like a painter, to bring it in a balance and to fix them into a granite block, because this granite blocks can hold everything. You see, like this granite block here, standing very small basement on the floor. Here you have like a 300 kilo steel steamer. Here you have like a crane arm not touching the floor. You have here another 100 kilo block flying, and the whole thing looks like it is just balancing. It's heavy, but it's balancing. With the other block is the same. Here you keep the machine ad absurdum. This block is flying and just is going up to hold the weight what is pressing down from this long axe of extension bend wheel here, this wheel. Even here, this steel box where inside is the transmission is hanging free. It is actually not connected to my transmission wheels, but to my transmission wheel here, nothing. They are completely free. It is a kind of, they're all free. They don't sound free. Thanks a lot for listening. Maybe I can show you some more next month. Part